Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. So let's move on to first SGX Nifty, later onwards Nifty, right? So on Thursday, I we discussed about that one more chances in the correction part, and I already drawn like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 way structures, and from here it can do one more high. But if we look into that detailed here, it is not did that 5 waves. It's only all looking like a 3 way structures. So for me, it looks like one more low is also possible. That means another one more push to a high in the 3 way structure, and one more 3 way structures to the downside is possible. It seems like that because this is the one A, B, and C in the irregular flat formation. Later onwards, one C is already completed. So no need to break this low again. Once the correction is got completed, we need only the bullish scenario. But it already did. So it is a little bit deeper corrections I'm expecting. So whether this is that connecting wave for this impulsive way to the downside, I will make it this as a blue color, and this one is a green color. So this is the correction. Later onwards, we need this kind of one more way to the downside, or it could be the 5 way structure what I explained the previous. But what happened here, it looks like only the 3 way structure. So now what I'm expecting, this could be the one more high is also possible. See here, it's already again broken this low. So that means in the shorter time, see these are all the 15-minute chart. I won't like that, but this is a pre-market predictions and we are doing daily. These are the little bit consolidations or all happen in the 15 minutes, and as per the Elliott waves, it's very difficult for me, for myself, to predict how it will become in the 15 minutes, and it will how it will move the further next. But in that higher time frames like 1 hour and 4 hour, I like very much than the 15 minutes. But if only I need to enter in the trade, I will look for the 15 minutes and 5 minutes also. But for the clear picture, once the 3 way structure is got completed, we need an impulsive way, and it's not looking like a promisable, and it is the only 3 way structure. After that, it failed to break the high. So, and it's already broken the low. That means still we are in the correction, and it is in the shorter term downtrend. So what I'm looking here, it's in the 1 hour or the 15-minute chart. It looks like one more low high to this. One second, I will delete this here. And tomorrow morning, maybe a gap up in the Asian session. Later onwards, in the Europe session, it can be like this kind of formation can happen. So if we kept in the Fibonacci expansion levels, if this is the one and what I expected in this zone, the previous support zone also here it's holding. Now we can change it to here in this zone. So what we are expecting is 17,000, right? In this zone this is the SGX Nifty, so it can come to this zone. So this is the one possibility. So the next possibility here, it can do above the high somewhat in this like impulsive wave, like 3 way structure like this, and this length will be equal. Later onwards, this will become the correction part, and this is the connecting part for this impulsive wave. So we can draw it this as a connecting wave here, and one more down in the 3 way structure is available here. So here, this is the connecting wave, make it this as a red. So this portion may be a connecting part, and 1, 2, 3 So 1 2 3 and again 1 2 3. So anyway, I'm looking for this 17,000 again to reach. So after this correction, I'm expecting this one. So expecting this, I'm not in the sell side. Expecting this, I will be in buy side if I trade it, right? So this is my view in the shorter term in the Nifty for the tomorrow. And if you look in that overall the 4-hour chart, that same plan what we discussed on the Thursday, I'm looking for this zone. ABC is a ABC is a ABC is a B, and ABC, it has to break this high. And we discussed about whether this is the impulsive wave or not. That also we already discussed in the 1 hour chart. Sometimes it looks like a three-way structure, right? All the times it looks like a three-way structure. But this one, right, it's little bit difficult to predictions as a three-way structure, because what I'm expecting, this is the one, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, and this is the 1 5. So I took it this as a leading diagonal. I may be wrong also, that I already explained that several times. If you are a new watcher, so you just go through my previous video and then I have explained this, and now also I explain. So whether this is a three-way structure or five-way structure doesn't matter here, but no need to break this low. If this is a three-way structure or five-way structure, and again there is a already did the three-way structure and not yet broken this, and again it bounced. So it's all making a three-way structure. So I'm expecting to break this high as a first target. But in that case, what we already did as a wave 1, and this is the wave 2, and we are expecting the wave 3rd. So wave 3rd may be a contains of five-way structures, and that is also being expanded also. So in that category is a 1 2 and then 3 4 5. So later onwards that will become a 1. This will be, sorry, this will become 1 and this will become 2. That will become a 3. After that, five-way structure. But in that bigger picture again, if this could be the A also, because why I kept this as a A means, if the fourth way is still ahead in the formation of a triangle or an irregular flat pattern, this 4 is not yet completed, means again this portion will end, means soon, right? In any kind of correction part, this is the A and this could be the whole thing is B, and one more C, whether it is going to break this high or may not. If it is breaking this high, that will consider as a running triangle if it is a triangle pattern, or if it again comes to like this will be then irregular flat formation of a running flat, and the wave 4 may be here. But if it is not coming like aggressively like this, and again it will doing the three-way structure, means this could be a considered as a triangle also. So the fourth way is still, we aren't stuck in the fourth way. That is why, so we don't know until it breaks and it will shoot to that 20,000. Until that, this wave 4 is in question mark, whether it is completed or not. That is why every time the possibilities are, we have to see the possibilities. We don't stick to our own wave count and wave structures. So whether this impulsive wave could be the A or 1, so this correction could be the 2 or B, and later onwards, if it is going aggressively to the 20,000 mark only, we can consider this as a 1 2 3 4 5 like that to complete that fifth wave. Until that, we can't make this as a fourth way is already completed here. It is can be extended in that complex correction as a running flat or in that triangle formation. So this is my detailed analysis for maybe to complete this month also in the detail in the 4-hour chart. So if you want to trade, you have to short your time frame and to that 15 minutes and 1 hour to trade. But I am a positional trader and I'm not going to trade the futures. Only 1 or 2 times I already traded. I think 3 times. Okay, 3 times it's already in profit. And I won't do trade here. Even though if it is in I'm do stocks, So if it is coming to the downside, I will be look into the individual stocks, the same pattern structures, everything what I have explained here in the Nifty. Like that, each and every stock contains of my Elliott wave theory. With the help of that only, I am doing trade and as a positional trader. So let's move on to Nifty, right? So tomorrow may be a gap down open because it's at 17,150. But let's see, right? So it's already, and I already explained here, it's an impulsive wave, looks like impulsive wave. And this is a three-way structure, it's not five-way structure, but it's already broken this low. So maybe 1, 2, and 3. So it's already broken, means that could be the running flat, and one more three-way structure or five-way structures can break this low again, but not this low. Later onwards, I'm expecting to the upper side. So this is my view. But in that case, some rare cases, if that market of the fundamental news or Russia or Ukraine, it's all, there is no war, it has been declared by some other, right? It can shoot from here also. Then we can consider this as a ABC is a A, it's a W, X, ABC, Y. So in that time, we will consider this as a W, X, Y. Y is called finished. So like that also I can change the wave code according to the price action. Again, otherwise, if it again something uses fundamental uses comes in, this will become do like this. Maybe it can break, means if it is an expanded flat, it can do. Later onwards, one more three-way structures can have to break this low. So here there is no clear picture, and in that SGX Nifty, somewhat it looks like a clear picture. So this is my view in SGX Nifty and Nifty. So hope you enjoyed my analysis and learned something, and it helps you to fine tune your strategy also. Or if you are an Elliott wave followers, this may help you. So thanks for watching, liking, and sharing, and we will see you tomorrow or whenever I found a time to share my view with you. Thanks a lot. And I decided one more in Tamil. I'm going to make one video, so I'm keep on posting only here. So apologies for this because I don't have more channels to reform that. I'm already having one more channel in for the forex, and I'm doing the stocks here. So in this only I will do in Tamil, in my mother tongue, and that is my ambition to create one, and I will see how the response is there, and if I found it's a good response, and I will keep posting in Tamil and English whenever the time is available for me. So thanks a lot, and I hope you are looking for my that video for gold in Tamil. So bye, see you later onwards. Have a lovely weekend and Sunday weekend, and be trade safe, and we will see you tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Bye.